we're gonna do bonfire. We're gonna use marshmallow, chocolate, and even crackers.
This video channel was made as a gift for my future self, and I hope to share it with my grandchildren.
What are you cooking?
We're gonna make garlic buttered broccoli.
Yummy. It's for tonight, and tonight we're gonna do bonfire. We're gonna use marshmallow, chocolate, and even crackers. The cat is smelling it. Oh, cool.
There you go. And then
Blow it.
blow it.
Shallow meat plastic balloon.
Oh, you blow it.
I can't.
Dahan-dahan. Hawakan mo yung balloon, anak.
Hold it.
Not too big, baka sasabog na. Yes!
It's so cool. Look. I made a heart. I made a heart.
Go.
I'll do if there's laway. May see?
I'm good. Can I go upstairs?
Huh? Go! This, I think you can pitch tent there. Then, another fireplace. A mini stage. Another one to pitch tent. Another place to pitch tent. Then, have another one here. This is a jet ski. So basically they use it for beer cooler. There's parties. Another fireplace. Another one where you can picture sink area. I think this is the facility that's properly.
Make sure you always have your own trash bag. May tent ba kayo, sir? Meron kaming tent. Pwede mayroon sa inyo. Meron pa. Nice hair, Marcus.
Marcus, Caleb,
Ison. Sheila just found a new friend. What's her name? Can you ask her? What's her name? Ooh, she's driving.
Kings of the world.
Here's their table and their food. Wow. And the egg. At ang kanilang magandang kalan. Ayan po sila, mga taga Pampanga po, ang ating mga kasama ngayon sa ating camping. And ito yung kanilang tosinong kalabaw. Yan, no?
Kings of the world, and anywhere we're so bound, we are kings of the world, and tonight is a playground, we are kings of the world, and anywhere we're so bound, we are kings of the world.
Sige.
Wait lang, pag hinulog ba, magbobol ko ko?
Hindi, wag natin hulog.
Ayun.
Yun! Nabol. Ang galing naman ni Ella.
Kabalo ka lang lang. Tiping-tiping lang.
Ikaw.
Yung ano to? German Shepherd. Tama-tama, hindi makikita yan ng landlady natin, anak. Parang
Tsaka,
pa yun sa'yo.
yung ano niya, yung maintenance niya.
Opo.
Pinamigay namin yung ano namin. Belgian Malinois. Uy!
Nilapitan ka pa niya, Elo.
Pag hindi familiar siya, magbobol siya. Yan naman siya, i-focus mo na. Hello, kids!
Lava, pretend. Come on. Lava! I did not want to fall in here. Whoa!
Okay, go.
Inilagay ko na stick yung ano ko.
Sorry.
Joke lang.
Ay, siyempre mo.
Here, Caleb.
Stay here. Near ate, no?
Ate's marshmallow is on fire.
Blow it na, anak.
Go to ate. Blow to ate. Caleb, go to ate.
Press it.
Oh, dali na. O, game, ikot, paikot. Harap tayo sa camera.
Will say.
Thank you.
Mag-press na kayo.
Galing na yung shell.
Josh,
Nay.
tama Josh, dali na. Tara na.
No, you're not gonna go.
I fall through the fire.
Oh no!
No.
Oh no! Marshmallow
Hindi pa, while still hot.
Oh, yay!
Very good. Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
9:30 p.m. Bonfire. Yeah. Hello, van lifers and wanderers. We're here at Alfonso's place, Baguio City. Sir Anthony.
Hello.
Sir Alvin. Andrew at the back.
Follow me away, 'cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone.
Good night, van lifers and wanderers. Tulog muna tayo at bawi tayo bukas. Right. Bye.
Night.
I'll get you back up again.